Wow, I can't believe Olimar got us all these wonderful gifts. He even got me a Crimson Candy Pop Bud. Now I don't have to be a white Pikmin anymore.
Yeah, but now your name sounds stupid. You're a red Pikmin with the name Snowflake.
Yes, but I am also a red Pikmin with an aim flame. I can burn things without getting hurt.
Do you see my awesome scissor collection too? They're all so sharp. They're gonna chop right through a blizzard flower.
Yeah, about Blizzard. I haven't seen him around lately.
Oh yeah, he didn't even come to open any gifts. Actually, I don't think he has any gifts.
Wait, did you wish that we would not have another sibling anymore?
No, I just wanted some scissors.
Yeah, I really wanted to try out my aim flame on his flower.
Yeah, but you already did that with the pink one. I didn't get my turn yet.
Yeah, but that's why he had a purple one. It looked all silly.
Yeah.
Hail, Snowflake, I'm so sad. Last night, I woke up in the middle of the night. There was a rocket near our house. And then it sounded like somebody broke into Blizzard's room. And when I went to check it out, he was missing. So I printed up these flyers and started posting them around town. We need to find your missing brother.
Missing? I don't miss him.
I hope he doesn't come back. He was annoying.
That's not a nice thing to say about your loving brother. We're gonna go to the police station, see if they can help find him.
Man, policing is hard. I can't wait to finally get a break and eat my delicious donut. Today's been crazy. We already got 3 missing reports from parents who couldn't find their kids. One of the parents just left the kid at Nana's house and forgot that they put him there. The other 2 kids were in their beds hiding under the covers and the parents couldn't find them. What am I doing with my life?
Hi, my name is Mary. I'd like to file a missing Pikmin report.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
One of my kids named Blizzard was missing this morning, and his loving family misses him.
Let's get out of here. Maybe we can find something else that's more fun to do.
Yeah.
Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Officer Pebble. I work in the missing Pikmin department. So, who's missing?
My son Blizzard is missing.
What does Blizzard look like?
He's a white Pikmin with a purple flower, just like this.
Alright, when's the last time you saw him?
Last night, when we went to bed.
Are there any clues as to where he is now?
In the middle of the night, there was a rocket that flew over our house. And then somebody broke into his room and picknapped him.
Alright.
So do you think you can find him? I printed out a bunch of flyers and we're posting them all around town.
Can I have one of those flyers to file with the other missing Pikmin?
Sure.
I mean, usually we can find missing Pikmin. Unless we don't.
Well, thank you so much, Officer Pebble. I'm sure you're gonna find our son Blizzard. What's that sound?
That's the fire alarm. We probably need to get out of here.
Oh no! I hope my kids are safe. Wow, I can't believe all the excitement at the police station. There was an actual fire there. I'm just glad you guys got out so fast. And we're all safe.
Who would have thought that Pikmas trees are so flammable?
Thanks for helping me light the star on top.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Mom, Hale cut up my Crimson Candy Pop Bud.
Mom, Snowflake burnt my cards.
Well, you should have left them out if you didn't want them burnt.
Well, then maybe you shouldn't have left your Crimson Candy Pop Bud out if you didn't want to cut.
Mom! Hale and Snowflake, you guys have done nothing but fighting ever since Blizzard's been gone missing. I think you guys miss him very much, and I miss him too. I just want our family to be whole again. So, I think we're gonna need to go and get a new sibling.
What?
Wait, we don't need any other siblings.
Yeah,
we can get along.
We're fine.
We're best buds.
We're best buds. Wait, you can just, like, get siblings?
Yeah, I was talking with some other moms that lost their kids on Pikmas morning, and they were lucky enough to actually find their kids. But they told me about this new place that opened up. It's called Siblings Are Us, and we can go get you a new sibling. But Mom, we don't want another sibling. Blizzard is the only brother that we ever loved.
Yeah, what Snowflake said.
I know it hurts us all that Blizzard is missing, but I'm gonna do my best to make this family whole again. We're gonna go get you another sibling. Come on, guys.
Oh man.
Do we have to? Hi, welcome to Siblings Are Us, where we have the highest quality siblings for your shopping convenience.
Hi, my name is Mary, and we're looking for a new sibling for Hala and Snowflake here. We had a tragic week in which my son Blizzard went missing, and he never came back. So we want to get a new sibling to make the family whole again.
Well, you have come to the right place, because we have many different Pikmin colors in stock, and they can be customized to be a leaf, bud, or flower. So just tell me what kind of sibling you want, and we'll see if we have them in stock.
So what kind of sibling do you think we should get?
Yellow leaf!
Oh, I have a better idea. In honor of my missing son Blizzard, I think we should get a white flower.
Well, I'll go check in the bag and see what we have. Really? Mama's gonna get the exact same type of Pikmin to replace Blizzard?
Ugh.
You guys are in luck. There are lots of options available. Come follow me back to the display area.
Come on, kids. We're gonna get you a new sibling.
This place kind of gives me the creeps.
Me too. We have a wide variety of white flowers to choose from.
Wow, there's so many to choose from. I'm gonna tell all the other moms about this place. Kids, go check out the Pikmin and tell me which one you want.
Where did they get all these Pikmin? And why do they have so many of them?
And why can you buy them? Wow, this one looks just like Blizzard.
Definitely don't want him.
This one looks like it got ran over by a car.
Why does this one have a hook? I mean, it'll make it easier to pick him up and throw him off the roof.
Ugh, purple. Well, if we want to scare all the neighbors, we should pick this one.
Yeah, I'll pass.
Looks similar to the others.
It doesn't really stand out.
So, kids, what did you think?
Well, I want to creep out the neighbors. I want the tall one.
No, we gotta get the one with the hook.
Okay, I'm gonna go talk to that blue Pikmin salesman.
Why did Mom even ask for her opinion? She's not actually gonna use it anyways.
Yeah.
I would like the white Pikmin with the purple scarf.
Good choice. I'll get you checked out, and because of our After Pikmin sale, you're saving 10% on your purchase.
Wow, I'm saving so much money. Welcome home, and this will be your new room. This is where Blizzard used to sleep, and I left everything exactly like it was, so it's perfect for you to move in. Blizzard really liked learning about geography, so 2 Pikmases ago, I got him this Earth Ball. And last Pikmas, he was very interested in Pikmin enemies, so I got him these Pikmin enemy cards. Though I'm not sure why one of them's burnt. I'll make sure to get that cleaned up. Well, I'm gonna let you get adjusted to your room.
Wait, we don't have a name for you yet. I'm gonna call you Avalanche. Avalanche, welcome to my family. We love you so much, and so do your siblings. Have a good night.
So, Avalanche, you know you're only here because Mom thought we needed another kid in this house for some reason. But we didn't like Blizzard, and just so you know, you're not welcome here. So you better watch your back.
Yeah, what he said. Mommy, Daddy, this has been the best Pikmas ever. Well, son, it looks like there's one more gift left to open. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about it. Oh, this says it's from Olimar to the Pikmin family.
Hi, I'm Blizzard.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I asked for a new sibling for Pikmas and I got it. Yay! Wow, this is a Pikmas miracle. We always wanted another kid.
This is my Pikmin wish too. I wanted a new family.
Wow, and you have a purple flower. That is so awesome.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this place.